Talofa lover and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel where we amplify Samoan culture. My name is Moana Fitaya and today we are going to be showing you our Samoan language basics mini course. So if you are interested in learning Samoan, keep watching. Talofa lover, so we are here in the background of this is what you will see if you enroll as a student in the Samoan Basics course, mini course. So you start with the pronunciation, which shows you the workbook. The workbook is more like, I would describe it as a phrases book. So it gives you all of the information, gives you all of the phrases in English and Samoan, and there's nothing that you actually have to do other than to read it. So it's a workbook in that it gives you the information you need to read and to understand the course, but it's also a phrases book because you don't actually have to do any writing in it. And yes, so that's the first thing, and you download that so that you can read it on your device or even print it and have the physical copy. So then our course is completely made up of audio. Yeah, there's no videos in this course. So we'll just give you a quick listen. So it's all in English and Samoan. So in the first part, you'll have the workbook, you have the introduction, how to pronounce the vowels, and then the consonant pronunciation. Then we have a greetings section and an understanding section. So the understanding section is not so much, it's more to do with, do you understand, or trying to be understood by other people and seeing if they understand what you're saying, and how you can get more understanding between each other in your conversation. I'll show you in the workbook how that section goes. Yeah, so there. Do you speak English? Do you know anyone who speaks English? Do you understand? I don't understand. How do you pronounce this? Yeah, so that is the part we see in understanding. Numbers. So numbers covers a few different things. It covers the numbers like Tasi Lua Tolofa, 1, 2, 3, 4, amounts, and also telling the time. So we'll give you an example for telling the time on how the audio is. So we say the word in English and then we will say it 3 times in Samoan. So here is an example.
What time is it? Oleale taimi. Oleale taimi. Oleale taimi.
And so we did this because it's the repetition that helps you to learn and to memorize and to become more familiar with how sentences are structured, how to pronounce words. And that's why we've done just audio, because you don't actually need to see someone in order to hear and understand and listen. And our last section is the calendar. So the calendar goes over the days and the months. We also have seasons, present, past, and future, as well as during the day. So we'll have a listen again to during the day so you get an understanding of how this works again.
During the day. Afternoon. Awauli. 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 Day. Aso. Aso. Aso.
Yes, and so that is our Samoan Basics language course that you can take online right now.
Thank you so much for watching our video today. If you learned something new, tell us in the comments what it was that you learned. If you'd like to support us so that we can keep making videos like this for you, then please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell so that you get notifications when we post new videos. The Samoan Basics language course is available now. You can click the link in the description and purchase that right away. Thank you again. Tauwhasai fua. Have a great day.